Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a listening goal to the Storytel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the profile button down below and then tap on listening goal, which is the third option. Here you should click on create new goal. So you should set your personal listening goal here. Choose a goal timeline such as 30, 90, 180 days or 365 days. Or the end of the calendar here. Then you should set the number of books that you would like to finish by the end of this date. And after that, click on create a goal down below. As you can see, you have set your goal. If you would like to share it with your friends, click on the share goal button. You can put it to your Instagram story, to your Facebook story. You can send it via messages or other social networking sites. If you would like to start reading, tap on go to goal or go to books. Here you can find your process and keep track of it in this section. So your percentage will be shown here according to how many books have you read. So if you want to edit this goal, tap on the edit button in the upper right corner and you can change your listening goals. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.